Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop. And today, we're going to work on seeing what it's going to take to get the wheels off the big 24-inch grinder. So, there's bolt holes that have been soaking. So, hoping this cover here swings out. Ooh, that's refreshing. Okay. Thankfully, they're very short. Ooh, that one. Sweet. This is all steel. Ooh, these are really loose. I was expecting far more of a battle from this. Okay, now this should swing away. Checking for yellow jacket nest. Wow. Let me zoom you in there. That is a big nut. I figured I have some bigger wrenches, and of course I could put a pipe wrench on that, but I don't like to put pipe wrenches on stuff and chew it up. It's a 3.5-inch nut. Okay, and people were doubting that these wheels were 24 inches in diameter. Some people were. From the center to here, with some wear, is 11.5. I know us guys exaggerate with some things, but never about grinder size. So I'm going to have to, I'll see what I got. I don't have a crescent wrench that big, or a normal wrench for that matter. I think my largest normal wrench is 3-inch. So let me move you to the front. So as you see, we gotta get this plate moved. I think this might be a much harder challenge. So let me reposition and I'll bring you back. Okay, so taking a look at this. There's 2 bolts in here. Let me zoom you in. One right there, one right there. They are rusted and gone. There's no more flats on them. So I can always torch cut those. And over here, there's a set screw there, and a set screw there for the pivoting there and what holds the shaft in. I was able to get it loose. So I'm going to see if I can wiggle this to maybe take the copper hammer and tap it out gently. Gotta be careful because this is all cast. So okay, that is wiggling. It's not the easiest thing in the world. So now let me tap it out a bit and see if it's going to move, how easily it's going to move. And the shaft here is blind. It doesn't come through the bottom of the base. It is moving with just some light taps. Well, not light taps. that's coming. Now, of course, the reason for pulling these wheels is I'm going to go have them tested. These wheels and the other one, they're like $1,200 a piece. So if this machine needs new wheels, it's not worth it. So it's not worth $2,500. The service I found only charges like, I think for both wheels, if I take them to them, it's like $120. And they will dress them. They will bake them. I think they said. They'll spin them 25 or 50% overrated speed in a big cage thing. And they will balance them, I think. So I thought that was very reasonable. A local guy with a cam grinding service, or crank grinding service, told me about them. So that's why we're pulling the wheels off. Before we have it sandblasted or anything like that. It's moving. It is on the move. Sorry if I'm in your way. I'm trying to... We have victory! Yay! Set that down there. Okay. So, I'm going to have to do... I looked through all my wrenches. Bring you back over here a bit. We have to make a tool to get that nut off. So I will do that. And I'll try to make it not super crude. I might make a beater wrench. We'll see. Let's take the wheels off. Oh, sorry. Tippy tippy. Here's the brake, or not the brake, but that catches in the shaft. And all that. Yeah, I don't have a wrench that big, and I really don't want to put. I've up to 48-inch pipe wrenches. I really don't want to put a pipe wrench on it, even though I have a bunch of extra toe straps and stuff like that. I use as to protect when I'm prying on. But since if I'm going to have this tool, I might as well make a tool for removing the wheels. So that's where we're going to stop today. Very cool. I can only imagine how heavy that wheel is too. When it comes time to pull it off the shaft and set it somewhere, we'll probably be employing the hydraulic cart, because we're going to have to pull it straight off that in there, and I think the cart will be right there. And we'll carefully maybe put a whole bunch of cardboard on the cart in case it flops over. We'll see. Okay, this is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.